guys, so today in this video we are going to be making some slime blindfolded. And we are doing it outside, and that's really all it is to it. So on your mark, get set, go. I'll take this one. That's my container.
Okay, I'm taking out my stick.
And I guess I know I got glue because I can feel the top, so that I know that it's
Yeah,
type
I
of
think
glue.
I got glue too because
And
I
you can
can
hear
like.
it from the sound too.
Yeah, I can hear it.
And guys, we're not gonna use a lot of glue and stuff, and we're not gonna make a big slime so that we can make more videos.
I'm just gonna use like one bottle, and that's it. And I feel like it's the tiny bottle, so not like the bad glue. Okay, these feel like the foam balls.
Okay.
And they still have the cardboard on, so no.
I feel like you're cheating.
I'm not. My blindfold's right there, and that's my nose, so I'm not cheating.
There you are.
No, I'm not. I was just fixing my blindfold. Stop!
No, this is how it's supposed to go. It's supposed to go like that. You're not supposed to see the black, as I can feel the black compared to mine.
Okay, you're good. No cheating.
I'm not.
I heard your blindfold move.
It's probably your blindfold.
I'm not moving my blindfold. I feel like I'm opening the foam balls.
No, I mean when I was moving your blindfold.
Okay. Oh, this is hurting me.
Then add that in.
And then got the opening for the foam balls. Hopefully there's a rainbow. Okay, don't want to add too much. I really want to see how much that is, so but I can't.
I hear something. You're cheating.
No, I'm not. I feel like I keep missing me. I feel like I'm missing.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, there we go. Now I think I made it, so.
Going to add some white giant foam balls.
How do you know they're white?
Because there's different textures on the cardboard. Go for this one. Okay, I'm gonna add it into my slime. And now I want to try to find some food coloring.
Okay, there's my stick.
I'll take this food coloring.
Okay, now I'm mixing. Okay, I think I'm mixing mine.
Okay, I'm gonna fix your green.
Ow! Sorry. Poke me in the eye.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine back on. There we go.
Okay. Now what?
You're gonna grab some of this. And I'm gonna add some glitter.
Oh, it's my eye.
There we go.
Okay.
And now I'm going to add some food coloring to mine.
Hey, I felt your hand.
I was grabbing for food coloring.
Okay, I think I just added some gel.
Going to add some of this to mine. And
Okay, I think I want more food coloring, but I don't know where it is. I remember when we set it up, it's up in the front. Nope. I think okay, that's not like the shaving cream lid, so I'm gonna take some shaving
Let
cream.
me stir mine, guys. Whoa.
Okay, I just added, I think I added some shaving cream.
I think it was shaving cream because you could hear the noise.
Yeah. It feels so watery.
Why?
I don't know. I think it was from the shaving cream.
I'm gonna got some glue, okay.
I know that's the lotion.
Okay, so I'm mixing mine.
Okay, I'm gonna take this color.
Mine looks really pretty.
How do you know?
I said I think it's gonna look really pretty.
That's not enough. That should be enough.
Okay guys, sorry for that interruption with my brother.
I hear something. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this.
What the heck?
What? Okay, Alex,
Open your lids.
Alex, go play.
Do you see that?
No, Alex, go play.
Look at it.
I can't see anything.
Alex, we have to have the blindfold on. We'll look after.
Do you have the camera on?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh,
Look.
oh, cool.
I can't see anything.
I know. Okay. We're not.
Okay, are you done yet?
No, are you done?
Almost.
I'm going to try to find the activator.
Nope. No. Okay, I think this is the glitter.
Adding my activator.
Thought you said we were gonna add the activator. We weren't gonna add the activator to the end.
No. We're going to add an activator now. Because then it's going to be a challenge because you're not going to know how much you're going to add. So. What are you doing? It's me.
Where's the activator? Thank you.
Yep.
Okay.
You're very. Oh, God. Oops. I think I spilled some stuff. Okay. I need some more activator.
Need some for me.
Oh, well, I filled it to the top for everything up here.
Okay. I think this is activator. Okay.
Are you almost done?
Almost. Oops, I just flipped the lid off the activator, I think.
We'll do a slime reveal soon, guys. Soon.
Soon. Are you kneading yours?
No.
Not yet.
I poked it though.
I'm still
We're gonna
mixing.
need when
We're done.
yeah, like when our blindfolds are on. I feel like you're cheating.
I'm not. I feel like you're cheating.
I'm not. Gonna add some. What's in? I think this one is a mercury sand. Yeah, because it opens. So I think it is. I'm going to add some more glue to mine. That one doesn't feel like it's empty. Okay, so I'll use. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. That hurts.
Okay, I think I can knead mine.
No, we're not gonna knead to the end with our hands. Till our
Wait,
eyes
are we doing it with our blindfolds on?
No, we're not gonna knead it with our blindfold on.
Oh, okay.
What is that?
Me mixing. Okay.
That's mine.
I think I'm ready to. I want to take off my blindfold. I think
Wait,
I'm
no,
ready.
not yet, not yet.
Are you ready?
No.
Are you almost
Mixing
ready?
mine. Almost. I just want to touch it to make sure I don't need anything else. I think I need more activator.
I didn't have any in my hands.
You're not supposed to until the
It
end,
feels
Abby.
weird. I'm not needing it. I'm just
No, put it back. You're not supposed to use it till the end.
trying to get off my hands.
Okay, I'm gonna add some more of this color. Oh, mine's like a galaxy color.
Wait, no. I think I want my food coloring. I heard something.
I know, I'm putting some food coloring in. Dude, that's me. I can feel your hand. You better not get any slime on me.
I know it. I heard something.
I'm fixing my blindfold. I think I'm almost ready. Are you ready?
Can we fix our slime after if we need to?
This is going to be the final color.
Okay. 3.
Wait, we're not ready yet. I'm still adding more stuff to mine. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yours is huge. Mine's like bluish, greenish.
You added something to mine because I don't think I added green food coloring.
You might have. You don't know.
And I didn't add soap either.
How do you know?
I don't think I did because I didn't feel it. But it's like a foam ball, like I wanted.
I have almost two.
What color did you get?
White.
I got multicolored. I did feel them.
See how those ones have different sizes? That's how I knew that these ones were white because they were all the same sizes. Dude, you spilled a bunch of foam balls.
I know.
The one part I don't like about foam balls is they get everywhere. Like the big ones are getting everywhere. You still have a bunch of slime in there. Oh. Guys, look at mine. Mine looks so good.
I think I need more activator.
I don't know. I got every single piece out except some. Guys, I can't stop playing with this. It's too good. I love it. Abby's is like kind of the same color as mine. Yours looks like that color. And there. Just greener. You must have added a bunch of green food coloring. Look, you even got some on the ground. You had so much foam beads under you. And glitter. So guys, I think it was not a fail for me. I think I actually did good. So I think we're going to do another blindfold challenge.
But not right after this one, though.
No. But comment down below what our next video should be. Or if we should do, no, not next video, if we should do another blindfold challenge. I don't think I put any glitters in here, but there's some glitters in there.
I did.
Yeah.
I don't like my slime.
I don't like mine. I'm just kidding.
I'm not even stretchy.
You still have more in there. Maybe that will be the stretchy part and you can add it to that part and I'll touch it. No, actually, put it inside the spoon.
I think it will fit. It doesn't fit.
Whoa, you have a bunch of glue on that one. Look.
I know.
Oh, it's dripping on the stem.
I still have white glue down at the bottom. Ooh, better.
Oh my gosh.
What?
All those foam beads. Guys, if you cannot see, there's a bunch of foam beads. So comment down below who you think won.
I
Because
think
both
you
of our
did.
blindfolds are on. So, yes, I'll turn it off because your hands are bad. So, we hope you like this video.
Please subscribe and hit the like button. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.